Ford is making one of the boldest strategic pivots in its modern history, and it's not subtle. Behind the scenes, the company has quietly pulled the plug on several models slated for 2027, signaling a dramatic shift in priorities. While cancellations always raise eyebrows, what's replacing these vehicles is even more shocking. A mix of advanced electrification, hybrid dominance, next-gen trucks, and software-defined vehicles that could reshape the entire automotive landscape. This isn't just a lineup refresh. It's a complete philosophical reset. Let's break down what Ford is canceling, why it's happening, and what industry experts say about the radical new direction. The 4 Ford models quietly canceled for 2027. Ford hasn't made a flashy announcement, but insiders and supplier leaks point to 4 key vehicles being phased out or canceled before 2027. 1. Ford Edge, gas-powered version. The traditional gasoline-powered Edge is effectively done. While it has been a strong seller in certain markets, its future no longer aligns with Ford's electrification roadmap. Expert insight. Automotive analyst Mark Fields, former Ford CEO, has repeatedly emphasized that mid-size crossovers without electrification are increasingly difficult to justify in a market shifting toward hybrid and EV platforms. Instead of refreshing the gas Edge, Ford is reallocating resources to electrified crossovers with higher margins and longer lifecycle potential. Number 2. Ford Escape, base gas variants. The Escape isn't disappearing entirely, but its base gasoline trims are. Ford is trimming the lineup to focus heavily on hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. Why this matters? Ford has seen stronger margins and better consumer demand from hybrid Escape models compared to traditional gas versions. Expert insight. According to powertrain engineers, hybrid systems allow Ford to meet tightening emission standards globally while maintaining performance expectations, something base gas engines are struggling to achieve without costly redesigns. 3. Ford Explorer, entry-level trims. The Explorer will survive, but not in its current form. Entry-level trims with basic gas engines are being phased out to make room for electrified and premium configurations. Strategic shift. Ford wants the Explorer to move upmarket, becoming more of a tech-forward, hybrid-first SUV rather than a budget-friendly 3-row option. Expert insight. Industry consultants note that Ford earns significantly more profit on higher trims and hybrid models, making low-cost variants less attractive in a capital-intensive EV transition era. 4. Ford Transit Connect, North America. The compact commercial van is being discontinued in North America. Why? Demand has shifted toward larger vans and electrified fleet solutions. The Transit Connect simply doesn't fit Ford's future commercial strategy. Expert insight. Fleet buyers are increasingly prioritizing total cost of ownership, and electric vans offer lower long-term operating costs despite higher upfront prices. Why Ford is making these cuts? At first glance, these cancellations might seem drastic, but they're actually part of a larger calculated plan. 1. Electrification pressure is real. Governments worldwide are tightening emissions regulations. Maintaining multiple gas-only platforms is no longer financially viable. Ford's strategy is clear. Reduce investment in outdated ICE platforms, redirect funds into scalable EV and hybrid architectures. 2. Profit margins are driving decisions. Not all vehicles are equally profitable. Entry-level trims and low-margin models are being sacrificed in favor of premium trims, hybrid variants, high-demand trucks, and SUVs. Expert insight. Auto economist Kristen Zichek has pointed out that automakers are ruthlessly prioritizing margin over volume in the EV transition era. Number 3. Software-defined vehicles are the future. Ford is investing heavily in next-gen vehicle software platforms. This means future vehicles will receive over-the-air updates, unlock features via subscriptions, improve performance digitally over time. Older platforms simply can't support this level of integration. Number 4. Trucks and commercial vehicles are king. Ford's bread and butter has always been trucks, and that's not changing. Instead of spreading resources thin, Ford is doubling down on Super Duty trucks, electric pickups, commercial fleet vehicles. What Ford is replacing them with, this is the crazy part. Now comes the part that's turning heads across the industry. Ford isn't just replacing these models, it's reinventing entire segments. 1. Next-generation hybrid dominant SUVs. The replacement for vehicles like the Edge and Escape won't be traditional gas SUVs, they'll be hybrid-first platforms. What to expect? Standard hybrid powertrains, improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing power, longer electric-only driving ranges for PHEVs. Expert insight. Engineers suggest Ford's next-gen hybrid systems will deliver V6-like performance with four-cylinder efficiency, making them far more appealing than older gas engines. Number 2. Affordable electric trucks. Game changer. Ford is reportedly developing a new generation of smaller, more affordable electric pickups. This could include a compact EV truck below the F-150 Lightning, target pricing significantly lower than current EV trucks, designed for urban and light-duty use. Why this is huge? The EV truck market is currently dominated by expensive models. Ford wants to break that barrier. Expert insight. Industry analysts believe this move could mirror what the Maverick did for compact trucks, except in the EV space. 3. Advanced Super Duty and Heavy Duty upgrades. While some models are being cut, Ford's heavy-duty lineup is getting massive upgrades. Expect new high-output gas and diesel engines, improved towing technology, hybrid-assisted heavy-duty systems. Expert insight. Truck engineers suggest hybrid torque assist could significantly improve towing performance while reducing fuel consumption, something traditional diesel setups struggle to balance. 4. Electric commercial vans and fleet solutions. The Transit Connect's replacement isn't another small van, it's a smarter one. Ford is investing in fully electric delivery vans, fleet management software, connected vehicle ecosystems. Why this matters? Companies like Amazon and logistics firms are pushing for electrification, and Ford wants to dominate that space. Number 5. Software-driven vehicles, the silent revolution. Perhaps the most underrated shift is Ford's move towards software-defined vehicles. Future Ford models will continuously evolve after purchase, offer feature upgrades via subscriptions, integrate AI-driven diagnostics and performance tuning. Expert insight. This could create recurring revenue streams for Ford, similar to tech companies, something traditional automakers have struggled to achieve. What this means for truck buyers, big implications. If you're a truck enthusiast or someone who follows the pickup market closely, this shift is massive. 1. More hybrid trucks are coming. Expect hybrid systems to become standard, not optional. Benefits include better fuel economy, instant torque for towing, reduced emissions. 2. EV trucks will get cheaper. Ford is clearly targeting affordability. This means lower entry prices, wider adoption, increased competition with gas trucks. 3. Gas engines won't disappear, yet Ford isn't abandoning internal combustion entirely. Instead, it's refining it. More efficient engines, hybrid integration, higher output. Technology will be a key differentiator. Future trucks won't just compete on horsepower, they'll compete on software. Expect advanced towing assist systems, real-time diagnostics, over-the-air performance updates. Risks of Ford's strategy. While the plan is bold, it's not without risks. 1. EV demand volatility. Consumer demand for EVs is still unpredictable in many markets. If adoption slows, Ford could face challenges recovering its investments. 2. Higher vehicle prices. Moving upmarket and adding advanced tech could make vehicles less affordable. This might alienate budget-conscious buyers. 3. Competition is intensifying. Rivals like GM, Toyota, and emerging EV startups are making similar moves. Ford will need to execute flawlessly to stay ahead. Expert verdict. Smart move or risky gamble? Most industry experts agree on one thing. Ford had to make this move. Why? The old model lineup wasn't sustainable. Electrification is unavoidable. Profit margins are under pressure. However, success depends on execution. Key factors. Can Ford deliver affordable EVs? Will hybrid systems meet performance expectations? Can software integration be seamless and reliable? The bigger picture. Ford's identity is changing. This isn't just about canceling 4 models. Ford is transforming from a traditional automaker into a tech-driven mobility company. That means fewer but more advanced vehicles, greater reliance on software, a stronger focus on trucks and commercial markets. Final thoughts. Ford canceling these 4 models for 2027 might seem shocking, but it's actually a calculated move that reflects where the industry is headed. Gas-only vehicles are fading, hybrid systems are becoming the norm. Electric trucks are about to explode in popularity, and software is becoming just as important as horsepower. What's replacing these canceled models isn't just new, it's a complete rethinking of what a Ford vehicle should be. And if Ford gets it right, this could be one of the most important turning points in its history.